grilled eggplant parm. I'm just cutting this into large discs. So all those go in the bowl. I'm gonna add a good couple glugs of extra virgin olive oil, a nice pinch of kosher salt, some fresh oregano. You could use dry if you have it. Remember, if you're using dry, you want to use about a half to a third as much as fresh because the flavor is slightly more intense with the dry. So garlic is peeled, smashed, and then a quick mince of this, and it goes right into our eggplant. Now we're just giving it a little toss. We're in a good place. I have my grill set up. The coals are in the back, no coals in the front. So the back of the grill is our heat source. So that's where I'm gonna grill these. All right, so now I'm gonna slice the tomatoes. So I'm gonna get 4 out of this one. So I'm gonna go in half, and then half, and now I got my 4. All right, so now we're gonna move these to the front because we got the nice grill smokiness on there and they're cooking through. Now we're gonna take our tomatoes and just start stacking them on top of our eggplant. Now we're gonna season these. Tomatoes take on salt better than most things. We start layering the cheese on. Here, like dealing cards. All right, so the grill is gonna go up to about 350 degrees to 400 degrees to melt everything. I'm gonna shut down the vent a little bit on my grill so it stops creating heat because it stops creating airflow. Same thing, I'm closed up on top too. We maintain our nice 350. We're in good shape.
Those look amazing.
Right? And then what I'm gonna do is hit them with a ton of parm.
Oh man.
And then I'm just gonna flash them on the grill one last time.